similarity and differences. Many people stay in our home and in our neighborhood. The body parts are same for everyone, but they do not look alike. Everyone appears different from the other. Isn't that so? Observe the differences between each person. 1. Color. Some people have dark complexion and some are fair. 2. Hair. Some people have thin hair and some have bushy hair. Some people have straight hair while some have curly hair. Some people have glossy hair while some people have dull hair. Some people have black hair while some have brown hair. Old people have white hair. 3. Height. Some people are tall while some are short. 4. Build. Some people are fat and some are lean. 5. Nose. Some people have sharp, pointed noses, while some have flat noses. 6. Growth. The body of a person becomes bigger as he or she grows up. Thus, a small boy or girl looks small, while a young man or woman looks much bigger. 7. Eyes. Some people have black eyes, while some have brown eyes. Some people have blue eyes. Some have big eyes, while some have narrow eyes. Some people have bright eyes, while some have deep-set eyes. 8. Face. Some people have long faces, while some have round faces. Some people have oval faces. 9. Age. People look different according to their age. For example, a little boy, a teenager, and an old man look very different from one another.